Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to turn these kirby cucumbers into classic dill pickles using lacto-fermentation. This method of pickling is how you get those classic half-sour, full-sour, deli-style pickles that are packed with flavor, totally addictive, and happily also chock full of good gut bacteria. Let's get started. For ingredients, you'll need lots of dill, lots of garlic, and the freshest, firmest, most uniform kirby cucumbers you can find. Step 1, remove the blossom end of the cucumber. Perfect. Step 2, make an ice bath for your cucumbers to chill out in. This is going to help keep them crunchy during fermentation. Step 3, take all your garlic and smash, 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 smash. Step 4, get everything into the fermenter. We start with a black tea bag for tannins and then layer garlic, dill, and cucumbers on repeat. Garlic, dill, cucumbers, garlic, dill, cucumbers, garlic, dill, cucumbers. Repeat. Add your fermentation weight, pour in your brine, making sure everything's submerged, and cap it with a lid and airlock. We did it, we made pickles. This is ready to just hang out for 3 days, then you can start tasting it. If it's super sour, just how you like it, put it in the fridge. If not, wait another day. And one thing to remember is that while it's clear now, it's going to get cloudy. That's how you know it's a real pickle. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. For more fermentation recipes, please check out farmsteady.com. Like, follow, comment below. And we're always coming out with new recipes for fermented hot sauce, different pickles, kraut, kimchi, kombucha. Please let me know what you want to see and we'll get it up next. Thanks so much. Bye.